For some merchants, shipping is easy. But when things get tricky, how do you handle the complexities and make sure everything gets where it needs to go? Meet Sky, the owner of Bespoke. They make one-of-a-kind custom furniture pieces. And thanks to their marketing efforts, the business has taken off in the last 2 years. Their most sought-after products are their dining tables, which come in wood, glass, and metal, with features such as resin inlays and live edge cuts. Since expanding Bespoke to 3 warehouses across the United States, Sky has been able to offer local delivery and pickup for larger items, with discounts to offset customers coming from long distances. But with the business growing so quickly and international interest in the brand steadily increasing, these methods are no longer sustainable. When thinking about their shipping needs, Sky knows that they need to be able to factor in things like weight and size. But with each unique item, there are additional concerns, such as, is it fragile? Are there laws to consider regarding shipping different materials? Luckily, Shopify is here to support them. Using Shopify's shipping options, Bespoke can easily create packing labels for multiple carriers. This allows them to choose the most efficient methods, regardless of the weights and materials of the items and packing supplies. With managed markets, Sky can rest easy knowing their international customers will only see items Bespoke can legally ship to their country. And when a Bespoke item is ready to be shipped, Sky is able to schedule carrier pickup at the correct warehouse when it's convenient for them. With the logistics handled, Sky can focus on what matters most: getting the Bespoke product into their customers' homes where they'll be enjoyed for years to come.